we will discuss the 10th chapter in our second year syllabus. The chapter name is alternating current. Now, what is alternating current and what we want to discuss in this chapter? Okay, in this chapter we have one number of 2 marks questions and 4 marks question. Examination point of view, this chapter is important for 6 marks question. Now first, what is alternating current? A current flows through the conductor. Current flows through the conductor. A current flows through the conductor in clockwise and an anti-clockwise in a time period is called alternating current. A current flows through the conductor in clockwise and an anti-clockwise direction in a time period is called alternating current. But how this current flows? For alternating current, ends of the conductor should be connected with the AC generator, which is the source of AC EMF. Without EMF, the current never passing through the conductor, but generator gives AC EMF. The generator is connected to ends of the conductor. In the conductor, the current flows, means electron flows clockwise and anti-clockwise in a time period. Why? Generator gives AC EMF like that, means in the form of a sine wave, that we are studied in the 9th chapter. It is a 10th chapter. Now let us see alternating current. Here I am taken the diagram. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. How it is? It is which one? Like this, clockwise, then after it is which one? Anti-clockwise. It is which one? Time period. Means here it is 0, it is t by 4, it is t by 2, it is 3t by 4, this is capital T. Okay? A current flows through the conductor in clockwise and an anti-clockwise in a time period is called alternating current. For alternating current, ends of the conductor should be connected with the AC generator, which is the source of AC EMF. Already we have studied the equation in the 9th chapter under AC generator like this: 0, t by 4, t by 2, 3t by 4 and t. What is this shape? Sine wave shape. That's why what is the equation for AC EMF from Faraday law? E is equal to E naught sin omega t. What is E naught? Peak AC EMF value. In some books, instead of E naught, we can take EM also. E naught is also taken by EM. What is EM? Maximum AC EMF. This is the maximum or peak. Maximum or peak. It is also maximum or peak, but it is in the positive cycle. This is the negative cycle. That's why plus E naught, here it is minus E naught. Due to the AC EMF, we get the AC current like this also. Here it is a peak value positive, here peak value anti-clockwise, negative side. So what is the equation for AC current? AC EMF equation is this: E is equal to E naught sin omega t or E is equal to EM sin omega t. This is the equation of AC EMF. Now what is the equation of AC current? I is equal to I naught sin omega t. What is I naught? I naught is peak current. Otherwise, instead of I naught, what we can write? Im. I is equal to Im sin omega t. These two are taken as equation of AC current. What is IM? Maximum current. Okay, in case of AC EMF and AC current, we write the average values. The average value of AC EMF in a time period. The average AC EMF value in a time period is 2 by pi times of its peak value. How we can get this? Means this is the equation form. E average is equal to integral 0 to t E dt by dt 0 to t. What is E? E naught sin omega t dt. Integral 0 to t by integral 0 to t dt. If we can simplify, we get answer 2 by pi E naught. 2 by pi value is equal 0.638 I naught. Okay, when the AC current passing through the conductor, the ends must be connected by AC generator, which gives ACMF. The ACMF average value is how much? 2 by pi times of its peak value in a time period. Similarly, what is the average AC current in a time period? The average AC current, I average, is also 2 by pi times of its peak value. The method of derivation is similar to the derivation of average AC EMF. I average is equal to how much? Integral I dt 0 to t by integral 0 to t dt. We know that I value. What is the I value? I naught sin omega t dt integral 0 to t I naught sin omega t dt by integral dt limits of 0 to t. Again we can simplify this. We get answer is 2 by pi I naught, means 2 by pi value also how much? 0.638 I naught. Means what is the average AC current in time period? The average AC current in a time period is 2 by pi times of its peak value. Okay, this is the average value of ACMF and AC current.